Trading. Oh, man. Okay, guys, what do you do if you're just racking up losers, right? You're not winning, okay? You've pretty much got 3 things you can do, right? And you're powerful enough to choose the right one. Number 1, you can just quit, right? You can quit, you can walk away from trading, you can leave behind one of the best financial opportunities that you're ever gonna find. People do that, right? You could do that, but you don't have to do that. Number 2, you can stay in the game. Shrink your position sizes, right? Stop risking so much until you find out what's wrong. Go back to paper trading, go back to small money trading. We teach you to do that. That's your second option. Your third option is shrink that down and bring some TRADEway people into your trading process to find out, hey, what am I doing wrong? It might just be one little thing in your mind, one little thing in your technical analysis. Whatever it is, we can help you find it, change it, get you back on track.